Create a wide variety of sewing projects with Singer's heavy-duty sewing machine. At 1,100 stitches per minute, this machine sews faster than standard sewing machines. The heavy-duty motor allows this machine to sew through heavyweight fabrics with ease. From silk to cotton to denim, the Singer heavy-duty sewing machine can handle it all. Fabrics effortlessly slide across the machine arm with the built-in stainless steel metal plate. Singer's signature heavy-duty aluminum frame means the internal rigid support holds all the mechanisms in perfect alignment for skip-free sewing and overall durability. After easily threading the machine, you'll be ready to sew in no time with the automatic needle threader. And when you're ready to sew a buttonhole, just insert a button into the foot and away you go with the fully automatic one-step buttonhole. Attach buttons in just seconds with the button sewing foot. With nearly 24 basic, stretch, and decorative stitches, this machine is perfect for home dec, crafts, fashion sewing, and more. Singer is sewing made easy.